welcome to our channel. Today we're picking cherry tomatoes. I already got two in. Guys, I'm trying to find some. This one's huge. I'm looking for a juicy one. Oh yeah, I got two in. Oh yeah, this one. This is a big tomato. This is the biggest tomato. Don't pick it. That's the biggest tomato. Just look at it. I'm looking for a juicy one. It's like three connected. Juicies, come on. Looks like a parrot because it's a carrot. This one has cracked on it. I don't know why, but I can still eat it. Really? I'm not sure how to taste this. I don't like tomato. It's really sour. Well, I'm going to put these in the fridge. It's really skinny. I'm going to put this in the fridge, okay, Eli? I kind of like it. That. I eat the tiny one. Tastes good. Yeah, you have to go find a bowl. Put this in the fridge. Hey guys, look how many tomatoes I picked. I was trying to get a full tomatoes I picked. See you later. Let's see you later, guys. Guys. Goodbye. Goodbye. You want one? Here, have one.